Deciding between a burger and a pizza, it's not easy. But now you don't have to choose. Paul Lillikas is here to teach us how to make his special pizza buns and some burgers with a twist. Welcome, my friend.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for being back. Okay, so what is the secret weapon
Okay.
you're going to show us?
So today I'm going to show you how to make probably my favorite burger right now.
Okay.
It's my pizza bun umami burger.
Okay, a lot of people have heard umami, don't know what umami is.
Right, so umami is the fifth taste. So we grow up learning about sweet, salty, bitter, and sour.
Yeah.
But there is a fifth taste, and it is umami. It's characterized by really savory taste.
Okay.
So things like, for example, Worcestershire sauce, anchovies, tomato, miso, Dijon mustard, caramelized beef.
These are all umami flavors?
Yeah, well, these are all things that can be characterized by umami. And the best way to teach people what umami is, it's a descriptive word. It's an adjective.
Sure.
So anything savory. So into my burger mix, I'm going to add a few umami bombs. Or
Okay,
umami secret
bombs, okay.
So in here, we're going to add, we have medium ground beef. We're going to be adding some tomato paste, really good quality tomato paste, some anchovy paste.
Okay.
So this is that secret
And a lot
ingredient.
of people hear anchovy paste and they think, ugh, I won't like that. If you like the taste of a Caesar salad, you like the taste of anchovy.
paste.
It's simple as that.
But you don't really taste it. It's one
No.
of those background ingredients. And some Dijon mustard. And of course,
Gotta have some salt and pepper.
salt and pepper, a good amount.
And no fill, you don't need breadcrumbs in there. You
Nope.
don't need anything else like that, no.
And use
No
medium
egg,
ground
you
beef.
don't need egg in there.
You don't.
Okay, good.
So, a little stir, stir, stir. And you don't want to overmix it. It will be a delicate burger, but if you overmix it, you're going to get the texture of meatloaf.
Oh yeah, you don't want that.
No,
Not that there's anything wrong with meatloaf.
not that there's anything wrong with that. So you're going to give it a good mix, and then
Okay.
you're just going to shape it into patties.
Okay.
And then we're going to cook them for, it depends on how you like your burger done, but about 10 minutes.
Sure.
Well.
Yeah, okay.
And now, this is my favorite part, okay?
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
So I grew up eating pizza buns.
What's a pizza bun? I mean, I know I can understand the concept, but how did you grow up eating pizza
They
buns?
sell them at every grocery store. They're just like a bun with pizza toppings on them. And so we're gonna do this. Actually, I'll let you do this.
Okay, so what kind of bun do we use?
A nice brioche bun.
Okay, good.
Just a store-bought,
Okay.
pre-sliced, and then
Just a squish it or no?
no squish it, no
Okay.
squish it. Just a little bit of pizza sauce on top.
Okay, just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Okay. Simple as that?
That's it.
Okay, so,
And then a little bit of cheddar cheese.
all right.
You can use whatever kind of cheese you like, but I like
So
a little
you're
bit of
essentially making me a cheeseburger with the cheese on the bun.
Exactly.
Okay.
And I like to push the cheese to the edge so you get
Sure.
that crispy cheese. That's
All
kind
right,
of like
here
a
we go.
pizza bun staple.
Okay.
So we have our cooked burgers already, so we're going to add them
looks good.
right here onto our pizza bun burgers. You
Okay.
can see that edge cheese, right?
Yeah, all right.
And
Here, I'll
then-
take one right here.
Whatever toppings you like.
Bacon. Done.
Somebody told me that you love bacon.
There we go. What else you got? All right.
I like to not, I mean, there's another umami ingredient right there.
Oh, good.
There's a lot going on in this burger, so I like just a little bit of lettuce and mayo. And
Simple as that. Now,
Yeah.
in terms of the condiments, can you use certain condiments that are going to mess up the umami experience?
Well, I mean, there's a lot of umami going on already, so I think that adding ketchup is kind of unnecessary.
But it's a burger.
I know, but you got so much tomato going on. There's tomato in the burger, there's tomato on the burger. Whatever you like.
Just a little bit.
You got like 12 layers of
There
umami
we go.
going on.
Just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Oh, look at this, though, man. This is great.
Yeah.
Okay.
We doing it?
Yeah, we're going to do it. I'm going to put that crispy bit there. Okay, here we go.
Flavor Town. You got a little.
Oh, okay.
What do you think?
I think that's fantastic. It is a different flavored burger. Mm-hmm. That's real good, man.
Depth. It's got
I
depth.
just heard in my ear I got 15 more seconds, so I'm going back in.
I was thinking, how about a cheers? We wash it down with a little milkshake.
That's a good idea.
Cheers. Thanks for having me.
For all these recipes, go morning.ca.
Ooh.